Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening up my spring FabFitFun, and I have to say, I think I said this in the last video, the customization or the spoiler video. I really like this box. It's really cute. I feel like I match it, like flower power kind of, like my kind of hippie crop top I've got going on. So yeah, if you guys saw my last video about FabFitFun where I customized my box, you know some of the things coming in here probably better than I do. Some of them, like, wait, what did I pick? Because I have not peeked inside yet. So we'll have at least 3 surprises, and I did get a few add-ons. I went like add-on crazy at first. I just like added everything to my cart, but right before it closed, I pretty much took everything out of my cart. I have a few things here, not much. Like one is for a friend, one's like laundry detergent, you know, that kind of thing. So I was like, I don't need anything. Like, so I took it all out. I'm proud of myself, like, go me, but yeah, so there's not too many add-ons to go through. Yeah, I think I did add on some things for like the choices, but they usually come outside the box, so maybe I didn't. So yeah, you guys honestly probably know more than I do for what is inside this box, so let's get started. Only one earring on. I kind of want my braid back. I made myself take my braid out for a little bit. I'm like, oh, my hair's kind of wavy. How do I get this open? This is what it looks like when I open it up. Grow forth. Oh, yeah. And by the way, if you guys aren't subscribed yet to FabFitFun, it is $49.99 per season. I do have a $10 coupon code to share. Anyone who joins has a referral link, our code to share with others, so that will be down below. There's stickers! Oh my god, I'm such a child. I get so excited about stickers. These are cute flowers. Grow forth. It's your time to bloom. Hell yeah. And then here's a magazine. It's like the first time there wasn't a famous woman on the front. And then it'll show you what is inside, but we're not going to focus on all the details like pricing and all that. If you guys are interested, you could look it up online or ask me, and I'll tell you. But I like some of the articles they have in here sometimes. I will keep this open to know what is what. Let's start with category 1. Who's surprised? These are like every box. Is there a wine one too? Oh yeah, my slippers. Damn, there are a lot of choices for one. What did I? Okay. Yay, I'm excited. I remember now. I'm like, I'm pretty sure this is one. I got the packing cubes for category 1 by Calpac. So this is a set of 3, and they're pretty. They're ombre, yellow, and orange. And it comes with 3 packing cubes, a small, medium, and large. Oh, the large one's holding all of them. It looks like they have like this mesh on one side to like breathable. So I'm not like going anywhere, but I want these to store things like my shop or my own stuff. Here's the medium. Oh, it looks like there's 2 zippers. See, there's like a back pocket too. And here is the small one, which is still a good size. Yeah, they all have that back zipper, so more storage. Nice, I'm happy with that choice. And then for the second, what did I choose? The slippers. This is what I was the most excited about. Let's get them open and feel them. They look so soft. And I need new slippers. I actually threw away my old ones because they got gross. I tried to wash them, and they're from like 2 years ago, FabFitFun. Oh, yes. These are by Splendid. Nice. I didn't realize that before, or I forgot. Story of my life. Yeah. I want to rub it on my face, but I just put makeup on. Yay. Now on to 3. The bucket hat. I was so excited about this too. Well, I am now Alice and Olivia. I think I wasn't sure, maybe. Was I sure? I don't know. Did I pick more than one thing for this? No. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. It's like cuter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be more buckety. Does that make sense? It's so cute. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna wear this. Or no, maybe I won't, because I feel like it affects my hearing when I'm filming. I want to braid it. I'm filming way earlier than usual, and I feel like my energy is just not the same. I usually have like my nighttime, like already had some caffeine. I had a little bit of caffeine. But I'm trying to get things done today because I was late yesterday. Well, I didn't do anything yesterday. I mean, I didn't post my video yesterday because I got done late with other work and stuff. Worst braid ever. Now I want to see how it looks with my braid. I don't know, is it just me or? I think it's cute. We're keeping it on. I don't care if it makes my hearing off. So I'm liking this box so far. So now we're moving on to 4, and this is for annual members only, 4 and 5. And what did I pick? Wow, I don't remember picking this, but I got the AMAZE papaya enzyme peel, the enzymatic cream exfoliator. Nice, exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. You know, my skin's not looking too bad today. I slept so much last night, so I should have more energy. I do like AMAZE products, so I am excited to try this out. It has milk protein in it. And for 5, H. Halston, or is it just Halston? This comes with aloe-infused gel-lined socks and a pumice stone. I'm curious what these socks feel like. I'll put them on. I won't show you guys my feet bare for it all, but maybe I won't put them. Maybe I will. Yeah. Ooh, they feel rubbery and stuff inside. Gotta put on both sides. Huh. Slip on these aloe-infused terry socks for noticeably softer feet. Okay. Oh, it's cool. It feels really cooling and interesting. I like it. It's like weirdly pleasant. Like your feet kind of feel wet, which some people might not like. But here, I'll show you the sock up close. Did I do that? There's like pink socks, but how do you wash them? It feels so weird. Nice. So you gently hand wash them in cold water and then line dry in the shade. I don't really ever use a line when I do it actually. Do not expose to the sun. Good for 40 uses. And then, where'd the good old pumice stone. So now we're on to FabFitFun picks. So for 6. I don't think I got what I wanted. Oh, I don't mind this one. What did I want though? This is by Earth Harbor. It's their Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. I actually opened up one of their products. Is this the one? No, the one I have is green. So this one is the oil featuring spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. But I do like the other oil. I've been using it. And I like their labeling. It's cute. Put it on my hand. I have makeup on it. Oops, not on my shirt. I should pose for my thumbnail with this. I kind of wish that the daisies, the black and so forth, was on this part too. But that feels nice. And it smells earthy. Earth Harbor. For 7, I didn't want lip masks and I got lip masks. Like, I don't get the point of them. They don't do anything for me. They kind of irritate my lips sometimes. Lame. What did I want though? Oh, there's like a body wash. Oh, the flower hair clips for 6 would have been nice. But yeah, I got a pack of 4. I don't like lip masks. Those are what go in giveaways. And for 8, I got some reusable, is that how you say this? S-A-I-E, Say reusable beauty rounds. I am happy to get these because I had to dispose of some. I just felt like they were getting older. This is 3 tampons. Oh, that's what it is in a different language. I was like, these aren't tampons. They're beauty rounds. So these are great. They reduce how many cotton rounds and stuff you use. I like how they have little like hoops in them so you can hang them to dry after you use them. So you can like use just like a part of it at a time. So yeah, that was everything in my regular box. I think I like it better than when I was like first doing the spoilers. I like the hat a lot. I mean, it's definitely not my favorite. The packing cubes I'm excited about actually. The hat and I don't know. The slippers for sure. Need these. So yeah, I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. I do pay for this box myself. But yeah, the one thing I'm just like meh about is the lip masks. But I can pass those on easily. They slip right into giveaway packages. And I'm happy to try this too. I'm keeping this on, whatever. Let's talk about the add-ons, which are not really many. I'm curious what this is. I've got a piece of clothing. Do I have oil in my hand? Whatever. Let's look at the packing slip. Pret-a-pour T-cinched bust top. Bust top. It's gonna make me look bustier. I like the color though. Oh, it's long sleeves. Oh, so is it bustier? Did I say what did I say? Bustier, right? That's like what I meant. Ooh, this feels nice. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. Got the V-neck, the bustier. You can like tighten it to make your cleavage out. Sorry, that was weird. I like just touched my boobs. It's lightweight. Pret-a-porter. Cinched bust top. Oh no, I didn't say bustier. Where did I just made that up completely. Bustier, what is that even? Is it like those corset things? I don't know, but I like the color of this. I like everything about it. I'm gonna wear that probably the next outfit I wear. And then I got some glasses here that are for Sally. I'm not gonna open them because I don't want to get my like oily fingerprints on her glasses, and they're not mine. And the laundry detergent I love. I use this right now. I got it from the last FabFitFun as an add-on. And this is the Laundress New York Signature Detergent in Classic for everyday laundering. And it smells really good. And it doesn't irritate my skin. A lot of scented laundry detergents do irritate my skin. And I was curious about this one because I like the scent of their wrinkle spray or whatever. Anti-wrinkle spray. I don't know. So I tried this and it has been working out for me. Let's smell it. It says it smells like lily of the valley and jasmine with sweet musk, sandalwood, and a touch of citrus. Things I love. Sandalwood. That's what I smell like. Well, my clothes. I just washed this and look. Yeah. I laid it out to dry. Trying to get better about like doing my laundry like how you're supposed to. And then I got some dry shampoo stuff from Voir. Is that the brand? Because I really like how their stuff smells too. And you like their other things. So yeah, Voir. She's Like the Wind Invisible Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. I was curious about this. In the winds of change, we find our true direction. Infused with conditioning wildberry extracts and nutrient-rich Kakudo plum, this oil-absorbing micro powder leaves hair feeling refreshed and volumized between washes. Nice. Can I smell it without taking it out? No, I don't want to waste any. I think the packaging is pretty. So is that it? Oh, and I got like little bonus things. I got a Smart Water that was like free, and then protein powder by 4 Sigmatics. Yeah. So really, I only added on things I need, like laundry detergent and dry shampoo I use all the time. That sure I didn't need, but I actually do need more clothes. Sunglasses are for me. Anything else that I'm missing? That's it. And this is going to be the shortest video I've posted in forever. I think so. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I feel like this was like not the most exciting video. I wasn't the most entertaining, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you got in your FabFitFun. Are you happy with it? Yeah. And channel members, we're going live tonight at 7. If this video is up by then, hopefully. Who knows what'll happen, but the sun's still out, so I'm filming early. And I love this hat. I feel like really funny. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling, go edit this video, get up on time, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys, love you.